Yo guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a absolutely fantabulous day. So, I don't even think that's a word. Um, so yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm not going to keep you guys for long. It's a quick update video because I don't think the community posts work as well as they should work. So I'm just going to quickly go over a few things. First of all, I'm going to go over some new things that are changing. One new thing is we've got ourselves a camera. I've been wanting to get one for quite a while, and I think this is a good time. So I'll be playing with camera settings and where to put it on the screen during the rest of the videos. So you can, that's something that changed, and I need to get used to looking into the camera and not onto the screen when I talk. But yeah, anyways, another thing that's new is, obviously, as you can see on the screen, this is not Enfusion, this is Unreal Engine, and this is going to be taught hopefully very soon. I want to get into it because it relates to another thing that is new. So Unreal Engine, how it relates is recently, if you're not in the Discord, you may not know this, I have started up a studio, Strike Studios. We're working on a game that is going to be similar to Arma, Squad, Battlefield. Basically, think of all the a lot of military simulations or simulators like Arma, Squad, Hell Let Loose, and so on and so forth. All of the good things that they've done, all of the good stuff mashed into one game, and that's what we're gonna try and do, guys. So it's let's say, I think I'm allowed to I think I'm allowed to say this, but think Mulsum with a bit of Helldivers, the persistent warfare of Helldivers included. So I'm gonna say that and let your imaginations do the rest. So anyways, after that, Unreal Engine, we're doing it in Unreal Engine. It's gonna be I've got high hopes for this. We're already popping out. We've got a dedicated, very nice, very good, strong team, and we're already doing quite well. I'm very, very much looking forward to presenting it to you guys when it's done, and then to not just you guys but the community as well. You know, people deserve a game that is good, well developed, and where it's developed for the community, and also with the community. So yeah. Anyways, I think I spoke about that enough before I spoil something or say something I shouldn't say. So then moving on to videos. So videos wise, we are going to do the level design series. I'm going to complete the level design series, and then I think I am going to take a step back from Enfusion. The reason for that is exactly why, is exactly, or not exactly, but the reason for it is we're making a game in Unreal Engine, and I'm still busy with Enfusion. They don't have anything in common, and I need to take this time and learn more things about Unreal Engine and do more Unreal Engine things. Now, I think there's a saying, you chase two rabbits, if you chase two rabbits, you lose both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chase Unreal Engine, because that's where my studio is, that's where my goal is. I want to make a game and move away from making mods. The community will still be up and running. We've got an amazing Discord community, and that will still be up and running. I'll still be on there. I mean, I've still got a ton of knowledge about the software, and everybody on there. There are advisors on there. There are moderators on there that have a ton of knowledge. So definitely hop into the Discord and ask any questions you want to. I'll also be on there, so great stuff. But yeah, I'll be moving away from Enfusion into 3 software. Unreal Engine, as you can see, using C++. I really want to get into the C++ side of things. And then as well, so C++ may take a little while. Sorry, the sun is in my eyes, oh my word. So want to do the C++ side of things, and then do the animations. Oh my word, I'm glitching. So C++ animation side of things, modeling side of things, and level design. So that is the stuff that I want to go into and start making videos about. There are a few other things. I'm not going to mention it now. I'll mention it in a later video, as to keep the video nice and short and sweet. But those are the things that we can start looking forward to in making. My goodness. It's this book reflecting it. It's straight into my eye. Oh my word. Okay. So yeah, I'll be moving away from Unreal Engine, Enfusion, into Unreal Engine, Blender, and Cascadeur. Now, once I finish my course, you can expect Blender tutorials on hard surface modeling, so on and so forth, to just, you know, get yourself into Blender a little bit more. Secondly, you can expect some videos on Cascadeur. Now, Cascadeur is an animation program which helps you with animation, and it's dedicated to animators only. Beautiful animations that you can make in there, and I'll be making tutorials on how to make it in there. You can take those, the cool thing about that is you can take those animations and pop it straight into Blender, or into Unreal Engine, or into Enfusion. Now, when it comes to animations and Enfusion, I got no idea. But in our Discord, we may have people in there that can help you with that. I'll just teach you how to do the animations. So that's pretty cool. Another cool thing is Unreal Engine. So you can expect some Enfusion, Unreal Engine videos coming within, I'd say minimum, let's give it 3-4 months. I just want to get enough hours in this program so that I can be comfortable in teaching it to you guys, just as I'm so comfortable teaching Enfusion. I want to be comfortable in teaching this to you guys without having to correct myself in a later video. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, honestly, that's all I've got for you today. It was literally, I'm going to keep this under 10 minutes. So I've got to talk real quick. So all I've got for you guys today, I think I rambled a bit. I'm so sorry if I did, if I kept you. So honestly, guys, if you like the video, that'd be great. If you subscribe, even better. And then if you want to comment, comments are open. Discord, open as well. So hop in the Discord, ask the questions that you want to ask. Comments are also open. Open season. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. And if you would like to support me, Patreons are also there. You can support me on Patreon or PayPal. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much. Appreciate you, all of you, tremendously. And I really do hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day going on, or night, or afternoon. So yeah, anyways, guys, I shall catch you later. Cheers.